Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have a song here called Free Falling, and it's not Tom Petty, it's James Arthur here. So another song here from Mr. Arthur. And this is a song that is piano based, a lot of pickings there, so to speak. So we will not translate this into a guitar picking. We will use an easier way with an easy strumming pattern and go pretty straightforward with this song. Focusing on playability, so to speak. So not too much emphasis on the exact same notes as in James' song here, more to handle this with a guitar. So let's dive into this free falling song here with the capo set on the first fret, and with that we have 5 different chords. So let's take a look at the chords first. We have the F, that's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the first fret, so you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have A minor as the second chord here. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the A sharp sus chord here, so that's a bar, another bar here on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E here in this case, so just 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. And the final chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So we're gonna take a look at the strumming here first, and we need to divide this into 2 different parts because we're gonna split it later. And if you grab the F chord, that's the first one. One strumming round, one full round goes down, up, down, up, up, down, up, like this. So down, up, down, up, up, down, up. The first part will be the down, up, down, up. So on that up there in the end, in this first part, you really want to hit that a little bit extra to mark out this one, because that will be pretty much what sets the rhythm here for this song. So really give it a kick there on the way up, so like that. And then you continue with up, down, up. So together it will be down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Alright, so we're ready for this song here, and to take a look at this 3 different parts of the song: the verse, the chorus, and the post-chorus parts. So the verse play will be F1, A minor 1, and D minor 2. We're gonna begin with that. That's not the full verse, just the first part of it. F1, A minor 1, and D minor 2. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds. So second round, third, F, A minor, and D minor, and D minor. Okay, that's pretty much the first half of it. Then it continues with A sharp 1, C1, and D minor 2. And the end will be A sharp 1 and just 1 down on the C with a pause. That pause builds up for the chorus that comes. So the second half was A sharp 1, C1, D minor 2, and then A sharp 1 and C1 down, like this. So that's the end of the first verse. So to summarize that one, it was F1, A minor 1, and D minor 2. That part you play for 3 rounds, and then you continue with A sharp 1, C1, D minor 2, and then A sharp 1 and 1 down on C. I believe on the second verse here in the song, this last C chord is not just 1 down. It is here in the first. I believe in the second one, you're gonna fulfill that with 1 full string round, and then it goes over to the chorus. So speaking of the chords, that's the next part. We're gonna continue the same strumming here, so no differences there, just different chords. So the first half of it will be F2, A minor 2, D minor 1, C1, and A sharp 2. So F2, A minor 2, D minor 1, C1, and A sharp 2. The second half will be very similar. It will be F2, A minor 2, D minor 1, C1, and so far it's the same. Then the end here will be, instead of A sharp 2, you're gonna play A sharp 1 and C1. So that's the only difference there, ending there. So let's do this one. F2, A minor 2, D minor 1, C1, A sharp 1, and C1. That's the end of the chorus. All right, and after the chorus follows a post-chorus part. So this one is a little bit different, and this is where we need to divide the strumming into the part 1. So that is the down, up, down, up. You're gonna play D minor, down, up, C, down, up, then the A minor, down, up, and F, down, up. You're gonna play this for 2 rounds. On the first round here, you're gonna end with 2 full rounds of the A sharp, okay? So D minor C, A minor F will be with us for both parts. In the first ending here, you will have the A sharp for 2 full rounds. In the second ending here, which you'll play right after, it will be with the ending of A sharp 1 round and 1 down only on C with a pause. So the post-chorus part will be in the second round. Yeah, I took down the tempo just a little bit to you for understanding this playing here, and that is the final part you need here for the song. Then you play in the same way for the second round and all that, so no changes there. James Arthur's Free Falling, great song, give it a try. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave me a feedback here on this one, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So I really appreciate all your support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.